Hey guys, it's been a while. As you can see, I'm in a different location. I moved my office from upstairs to our unfinished basement. Gives me some more freedom and everything else. We're eventually going to finish this up, and it'll actually be my little studio down here as well. It's been a while. I haven't done an unboxing for a bit. Again, I'm going to be doing the mystery tackle box. As you can see right here, Pro Panfish and Trout. This is the June box. July is on its way. So, let's cut to the chase. Gonna open this up right out of the gates. Where's my card? Right here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products in this one. Tundra Tackle Company Lighted Firefly Gold. Eagle Claw Little Bite Spoons. Thrill Pro Series Slip Bobber Rig. H&H Lure Company Cutie Spin. Eurotackle Y-Fry. Team Crappie Slab Collar. Freedom Baitz Trident. Brothers Baitz Stinger Grub. Mustad Beak Baitholder Hook. H&H Lure Company Pro Cajun Spin. And the Mustad Kirby ringed hook. That's what's inside here. So right out of the box, this is the Thill. It's not, oh, Thill, not Thrill. Thill Pro Series slip bobber rig. If you've got that, I would use this in a variety of situations with trout. I could take it, use it on the river. I could go into the lake as well. If I wanted to go for crappie or panfish, there's a couple little ponds around here we could use that. Not that bad. I like that. Alright. Here we go. The Eagle Claw Petite spoons, little bite spoons. This is old reliable around here in a lot of the lakes, especially if you're trolling off the back of a boat. I've used a few of these. I've gotten a lot of hits off of the red and white. I'd actually be excited to try these from shore or in a boat out here as well. That's a good one. Alright, this, I don't know if you guys can see this one. That is the H&H Cajun Spin. Looks like a spinning jig head, almost trout magnet-esque with what they've got, but it's 1/16 ounce. It's got the colors that I like to fish with my trout magnets around here. I'm actually excited to try that one too. So this guy here is the Lighted Firefly, and it's pink. What company makes this? This is a Tundra Tackle Company Lighted Firefly Gold, but it doesn't look gold to me. It looks pink. So that's a pink one. I'm kind of interested in this. It's got a battery. It lights up. Is this turns on with water contact? You can save the battery when you're not lighting up. That way you don't have to glow your painted lures if you have, UV paint. This one's interesting. It wants to target walleye, bass, pike, trout, salmon, perch, crappie, and sunfish. Jig it, dead stick it, great on tip-ups and rattle reels. That's what I thought with the tip-ups and the lighted part. It'd be a good ice fishing to dead stick it that way. But it's worth a try as well on the lake. So now let me pull all this out. And there's a lot of different things. They always have a dibble book. It's a good little reader, kind of breaks some tips and tricks and stuff. I don't think I've ever shown you guys this, so that's included in every one. They've also got stickers they usually get. I'm picky. I pick and choose which ones I put on the truck. But this one's about Catchco and some of the rods, reels, and system setups that they have going on. I'm not a big fan of the stickers this time around. And then their lure categories, right? Which kind of lures fall into what categories. It's called the Catch Mart system. I'm gonna have to dig into it on their website as well. So this is a Eurotackle Micro Finesse. That guy right there, that is going to be their 1.5-inch fry, very small jig head. I might actually try a trout magnet jig head on that, and I either go after the panfish, the crappie at some of the small ponds, or the bluegill and stuff, and see how they react to that. It's kind of a cool setup. All right, I always need hooks. I hate going and buying them at the store, so these are good. Mustad, I like Mustads. Size 4, kind of a curled hook. I like it. This one is called a Slab Collar. There's that one for you guys if you can see it. It's it's a calling all crappie. This one's specifically for crappie, I guess. It's I think I could go crush some white bass here at Utah Lake with this thing too. It's got the feathers, it's got the heavy jig head. This would be fun for panfish, definitely. Now, this one is called Brothers Baitz. I don't know if you can see that. They're very, very tiny. Tiny pink little larvae almost. It says it's scented. I don't know. This is a jig and soft plastic. I don't know how this would work around here. This is one that I question a little bit. And then these Freedom Baits as well. I'm not going to say what that looks like, but you guys can guess that one. I don't know if I could throw that on a hook, but that might actually work just because it's a little bit bigger. But dang, guys, could you have done something a little bit different? Oh, and this is the Cutie Spin lure. I'm gonna try that guy. I think I can get hits off of that at the lake. It's got the feathers on it. It's yellow and black, almost Panther Martin-esque, but it also looks like a spin bait for bass. So I'll try that one as well. And then I got some more hooks with the Mustad size 8. So all in all, probably not my favorite box I've received from these guys. It's got a few items in here that I'm definitely going to try and worth trying. Might do it this weekend, might do it next weekend. I don't know. I haven't decided yet where I'm going to go and do that stuff. But truly enjoy you guys paying attention. Go ahead and hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and tight lines, guys.